Chapter 15: The Birth of the United Nations. Introduction to the chapter. In the first half of the 20th century, there have been two major wars, the First War in 1914 and Second War is 1939. These wars are called World Wars because they involved many countries of the world. In the Second World War, the United States dropped atom bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It caused a lot of destruction. The United Nations, UN, is an organization that helps to maintain peace in the world. It has a membership of 193 countries. It was formed on 24 October 1945 when representatives of 51 countries met in San Francisco Conference in the USA. The members adopted the charter that laid down the objectives and functions of the organization. Need for the United Nations. The First World War, 1914 to 1918, and the Second World War, 1939 to 1945, caused a lot of bloodshed. They destroyed a lot of people and destroyed some places completely. The First World War led to the creation of the League of Nations for Peace. But the League failed and Germany began the Second World War in 1939. This war ended with the atomic bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan in 1945. This war caused huge destruction. The atom bombs killed 320,000 people and left several million homeless. After the Second World War, countries such as Britain, France and United States of America wanted to replace the League of Nations with another organization, which would ensure that such wars did not take place in the future. So, in 1940 the League of Nations was disbanded. It was decided to set up a new organization, called the United Nations Organization, UNO, in its place. The original declaration creating the UNO was signed by 26 countries who were allied in the war. The UN Charter. The UN Charter was signed by 50 members on 24 October 1945. This day is observed as United Nations Day. Later, Poland also joined the organization as the 51st member. The UN Charter contained the following main objectives. 1. Promote and maintain international peace and security. 2. To cooperate in improving socio-economic conditions of people. 3. To develop friendly relations among all nations. 4. To promote respect for human rights, equality of all people and support freedom of all people. 5. Remove difference of race, religion, language and gender among the people to the world. Principles. To achieve the above objectives, the United Nations has set up the following principles which all members should follow. 1. All humans are born free and are equal before law. 2. To avoid use of force of threat. 3. All member countries should respect the sovereignty and rights of other countries. 4. All members should settle their disputes by peaceful means. 5. To assist the United Nations in fulfilling its objectives. Membership of the United Nations. At the time of formation of the UN, 51 nations signed the United Nations Charter. Today, it has 193 member countries. The UN and its agencies are working together for peace and progress in the world. any peaceful country can become a member of United Nations. These countries have to accept the principles and aims of the UN Charter. The United Nations has been trying to solve various problems of the world in a peaceful manner. India is one of the founder member of the UN.